Is it gone? Okay, this next song, we're going to play one more song. This set is from the new CD. We have a brand new CD out, like I said. It's called Winds of Sargilon. It's spelled very strange. As a matter of fact, the funny story is that I was searching for Sargilon in the desert in Tunisia, the Sahara Desert, and rented a car, and I was driving on all these roads, and they would be covered by sand, and my car would get stuck now and then, and there would be camels crossing the roads, and I would ask people, where is Sargilon in Arabic? Wain il Sargilon. And they would say, oh, Sargilon, hon. And they would point like a direction. And I would drive and I would read the signs and there was no Sargilon because it's spelled with a K. Why is that? I never looked. Like, it had a K, so I didn't even bother reading it. So I keep going back and forth across the desert. Finally found it. Beautiful oasis in the desert. Even the cover from the CD is that desert right there in Sargilon. And the song is called Gypsy Bird. That has no relation to the desert. This was written in Romania, and the birds were chirping like crazy, so the song ended up sounding like the birds. So this is what we got. Songs of cows and songs of birds. Next we'll have songs of warthogs or ox. Javelina song. Yeah, good idea. This one's called Gypsy Bird. it. Feel free to get a card here. It's got our website, information, beautiful pictures.